So once you come to your browser, you search for Google Trends. Google Trends. So when you search for Google Trends, it brings you to this place. Once you search for Google Trends, it brings you to this place. Then once you come to this place, the three dash behind the trends by your left hand side, the three dash is what we click on because we want to change our location to United States. It's currently in Nigeria. You can change your location to any country, but what we are researching on is inside United States. So once you click on explore, you will see the country. Click on it, change the country to United States. You can choose any country of your choice, but we are using United States based on popularity and everything. So you can click the three dash arrow by your left hand side. You will see trending now. Click on trending now. So once you click on trending now, it's still loading. So you can see that Charlie Cake is trending. It's really trending. Like the news is so critical that it is even appearing on Google Trends. We saw Charlie Cake on Twitter, and we are also seeing him on Google Trends. So when you come to your Twitter, you have to make sure if you look at the top of your screen, under trends, you will see United States. That's the country. You will swipe it to the left hand side. You will see past 24 hours. That's the time frame. You can change the time frame. Then you see all categories. So these all categories are categories under trends. So you get at the top. This filter, you can see United States. You can see past 24 hours. If you look up, you can see all categories. Swipe it to the left. Swipe it to the left. So we have to choose category. There are different type of category under biography, which is trending. Trend is what is currently trending as at that moment. So these categories, you are free to select any category. There's health, there's entertainment, there's business, there's tech, there's sports. Any trend you want to go into, you are free to select it from this place. Though you see all category, click on all category. Then what we are going into is entertainment, because I love writing entertainment. Entertainment has lower risks, though not like it has lower risks. But I don't really have issue with entertainment since I've been writing biography. What you might have issue with is maybe politics and government. So you get, because those ones, if you can write about a very popular politician or a very popular governmental person, there's high risk that Amazon might spam to your account. So that's politics and government is 50-50. Your book can go live successfully if you're lucky, and they might come after your account. So what I will suggest we go after is entertainment. Under entertainment, we have artists, we have actress, we have actor, we have a TV presenter and all that. So this entertainment right now. We have choose our entertainment. So let's go down. And these are what are trending under entertainment. These are what are trending under entertainment. Brooke Muller, Cooper, Uffman, Jennifer Aniston, and so on. So let me check this Cooper Uffman. He has been trending 4 hours ago. Wow, Cooper Uffman is an American actor. Though it is meant to take me to a place so I can see why it is trending, but it took me to Google Direct. So in this aspect, we read about Cooper Uffman. You read about him and know why he is trending. He's 22 years. He's an actor. He attended a Cardinal school, born in New York, and all that. So this guy, Cooper Uffman, is a very popular actor in the United States, though he's very young. Let me check for another person. Yeah, this way it is meant to bring us to, instead it's supposed to Google Direct. So once you click on the person name, it will bring you can read why it's trending. These are the reason why it's trending. Just for you to get idea of who this Cooper Uffman is and why it's trending. Just to get some idea of why it's trending. So this is why it's trending. And one advantage of biography is that if you write about this Cooper Uffman as he's 22 years old now, by the time he grew up, so far your book is still on Amazon store. You must have done so many things in future that will make him trend more. So far your book is in Amazon store. The more you trend, the more you make more money. The more you trend, the more you make more money. So when you look at your top, where you say entertainment, you will see the time. You can change the time frame from 24 hours. You can change it to 48 hours. You can change it to 7 days. If you don't see the celebrity you are looking for, so you can change it to any time frame you like. That past 24 hours, you can change to any time frame and continue your research like that. So let's check for another person, Brooke Muller. Yeah, Brooke Muller. So these are why Brooke Muller is trending. And you can see that Brooke Muller, if you see this chart, you can see that Brooke Muller is really trending. For the past 24 hours, Brooke Muller has been trending seriously. So writing about this Brooke Muller, with this chart they are seeing, it shows he's a very popular person and it's someone people have been talking about for the past 24 hours. if you write about him now, there's a high probability that he will make sales today or he will make sales tomorrow. That's how crazy biography is. So you can read why it's trending. You can just click on any one of these 3K to read why it's trending. Then once you finish reading why it's trending, you know why it's trending. Then you can click on this Google logo to search why. To search who Brooke Muller release. So this who Brooke Muller is an American actress. Brooke Muller is an American actress. Say Brooke Muller pictures. She's an American actress. She is 48 years old, born on August 1977. She had children. But just to have an idea of who this person really is, she did. Just to have an idea of who the person is. So in case you start writing about the person and your AI bring out another story, now you can correct it on time that no, now you are writing about this person. Now that's why you have to read all these information on Google to have an idea of who the person is. So you don't publish rubbish for your readers on Amazon. So once you have finished reading, you have seen who the person is, you've seen her age, their background, their school, everything. Then you will go to Amazon. You will go to Amazon. Now I use a Kiwi browser. We type Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers. Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers. Once you type it, you click on search. The first site you will see, click on it. So once you click on it, it will bring you here. So who are we searching about? Brooke Muller, right? Yes, Brooke Muller. Let me copy the name. So once you copy the name, you paste the name, Brooke Muller, to see if authors have written about the person on Amazon. To see if the person has books on Amazon. That's why you will search for the person name. And it is a must to search for the person name on Amazon. It's a must to do it. So as to be on the safer side. Because why you are searching on Amazon is to see if it is a person you can write about and to immediately stay out of trouble. Because if you don't search on Amazon, you are putting your account on a very big risk. That's just it. And what you should check out for when you want to search, when you are searching the person name, I would advise you to check out the authors that wrote about the person. Yes, that's the first thing you should do. Safe. Check out the author. If you notice that it's only one author that has been writing about the person, all through such books, stay away from such books. Don't even stress yourself writing it. Find another book and find another celebrity and make your research on that person. Just leave that person. Because if you write about that person, there's a high probability that Amazon will come for your account. So once you search for the person name on Amazon store, what you should check out for is if there are various authors that are written about the person. If there are different authors that are written about the person, if it is only one author, stay away. But if the author are like 5, 10, 18, 20, you are free to write about the person. You are safe that way. So in this place, I can see she has book because this book Mona biography, and the book, it is not even her own book. It is someone that wrote the book, someone else. So I can see different author names here. I can see different author names. There are not really books here, but I think it's only 10 books that are here. So you are free to write about this person. It's very safe for you to write about her. So once you done your research, it is not a must. You check for trademark, it's your choice. But to be on the safer side, you come to your Google and search for usptu.government and put the name there just to see if the person has registered that name. And if you see that the name is not registered, you are free to carry on with your book. Take it. So once you type a USPTU, you will see this 3-line menu. This menu, click on it. Click on trademarks. Click on home. Just to be on the safer side and avoid troubles in the next future, click on search trademark. So you have to confirm if the name has not been registered. Because some celeb, they must have registered their name, and that alone might put your account in trouble. So you don't want that to happen. So once you search, it brings you here. You will then paste the name. Even if it's a name you can't remember, just copy it, paste it, then click on search. So once you click on search, it will bring out options of names that have been trademarked. So you can check those names to be sure that you're on the safer side. So what you are looking for is Brooke Muller. Now what I'm saying here is mostly Muller, not Brooke Muller. So I can't see anything related to Brooke Muller here. So it shows that this title is a very safe title to write about. A very safe title to write about. I will drop the title name so you can start working on it. So once you've done your research, you see that there's nothing close to Brooke Muller. You will then go to your AI. You will go to your AI. ChatGPT, Grok, whatever AI you use. So you will come to your AI and tell your AI, I want to write a book about about Brooke Muller. I have no idea of what. Okay, no. Okay, tell AI that she's an American actress and a very famous person. I have no idea of what to write about. Can you help me out with some valid information about this about this public figure. Let me know if you can assist me with it. Thanks. So once you put your prompts, your AI will make your research and give you information about the person. Say yes, I can certainly assist and with providing actual publicly available information about Mula to help inspire your book. She is indeed an American actress and public figure whose life has been marked by a mix of Hollywood connections. So you can see it. You can see that AI even brought out her early background. So reading this alone, you will see that AI is on point. It brought out the exact person that they want to write about, the information of the exact person they want to write about. As in, it brought out everything, both the struggles, the recent developments, her personality, family, and everything. So once you are seeing this is a confirmation that AI has given you what you want. The exact thing you want to write about is what the AI gave you. So the next thing you tell AI is, I want the table of contents for Brokmula biography, biography book, for Brokmula biography book. You want to tell AI, it will list out the table of contents. So once it lists out the table of contents, you can start writing on each of them.